Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is part 2 of the bodysuit pattern. So in this video I'll show you how to alter the pattern to be sleeveless and how to draft a long and short sleeve pattern for the bodysuit. So for this video you are going to need the working pattern from part 1, so I'll leave that tutorial linked below. So to get started, you're going to draw a straight line down your page and mark in 0 at the top of this line. So from 0, you're going to measure down half of the measurement from 0 to 3 on the bodysuit pattern, plus 1 centimetre, and then mark this point as 1. So from 1, you're going to draw a straight line with your ruler. So from 0, you're going to measure down the jersey sleeve measurement plus 3 centimetres and mark this as 2. So all the measurements that you need for this will be linked below. So from 2, you're going to draw a straight line with your ruler. So now you need to measure the diagonal line from 11 to 12 on the bodysuit pattern. So at 0 on the sleeve pattern, you're going to measure down to that line drawn out from 1, the measurement that you got from 11 to 12, and add 0.5 centimetres and then mark this as 3. Now go ahead and join 0 and 3 together. So from 3, you're going to go 1/3 of the way back up that line and mark this point as 4. So now you're going to curve out the line from 3 to 4 by 0.6 centimetres, and then you're going to raise the line from 0 to 4 by 2 centimetres, and this will create your sleeve head. So from 2, you're going to measure out half of the wrist measurement plus 0.5 centimetres and mark this point as 5. So now joining points 3 and 5 together with a ruler. So going in with your curved ruler, you're going to curve the sides slightly, but don't go any more than 0.5 centimetres. So to create the short sleeve, we're simply just going to measure your chosen length from 0 down the centre fold line and mark this as 6. So then going in with your ruler, you're going to draw a straight line out from 6 to meet that side seam. And then you're going to mark this line intersection as 7. So from 7, you're going to measure back in that line by 1.5 centimetres and mark this point as 8. So now join points 8 and 3 together with your curved ruler. So go ahead and mark in all the information that you need, and that is your long and short sleeve pattern complete. So now we can move on to the sleeveless alteration. Back at the bodysuit pattern, from 12 you're going to measure in 2.5 centimetres and mark this point as 1. Preferably do this in a different colour just to avoid any confusion. So from 10, you're going to measure in along the shoulder line by 4.5 centimetres and mark this point as 2. So now going in with a curved ruler, you're going to join points 1 and 18 together to create a new side seam. So then using a curved ruler again, you're going to create a new armhole by joining points 1 and 2 together. And that is the pattern complete. So all you need to do now is add any more additional information and your seam allowances and you're good to go. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button as it really helps support my channel. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly pattern videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.